On this CRV, B121B is a climate control unit fault for the mode control motor circuit. In plain language, the control unit may be seeing a short-type problem in the circuit that helps move air delivery between the vent positions. The customer may notice the airflow mode not changing correctly, or the system may store the code without an obvious complaint. The broad areas to keep in mind are the mode control motor, its connector and wiring, the sensor feed, the mode position signal line, and the climate control unit. If other short-circuit codes are present at the same time, treat that as a clue that the shared sensor power circuit may have an open or a short to body ground. Start with the basic system checks. Clear the DTCs with the HDS, turn the vehicle to OFF, then back on and run the self-diagnostic function with the HDS or from the climate control unit. Then check for codes again. If B121B is indicated again, move into circuit testing. If it is not indicated, handle it as an intermittent fault and inspect for loose wires or poor connections in the mode control motor circuit before going any deeper. Next, turn the vehicle OFF and disconnect the mode control motor 7P connector. Turn the vehicle back on and measure voltage from mode control motor 7P connector No. 1 to body ground. You are looking for about 5V. If about 5V is there, the sensor 5V/S5V wire checks OK at that point, so continue to the mode position circuit check. If about 5V is not there, stay on the sensor 5V/S5V side and check farther upstream at the climate control unit. With the vehicle still on and the mode control motor 7P connector still disconnected, measure voltage from connector No. 2 to body ground. Again, the expected reading is about 5V. If about 5V is present on this circuit, the diagnostic path points to replacing the mode control motor. If about 5V is not present, continue with the short to ground check on the mode P line. If the first motor side voltage check failed, measure at the climate control unit next. With the vehicle on and the mode control motor 7P connector disconnected, measure from climate control unit 32P connector No. 17 to body ground. The check is asking, is there about 5V? If there is about 5V at the climate control unit but not at the motor, repair the open in the wire between the climate control unit and the mode control motor. If about 5V is still not present there, turn the vehicle OFF, disconnect the climate control unit 32P connector, and check continuity from climate control unit 32P connector No. 17 to body ground with both connectors disconnected. If there is continuity, repair the short to ground in the wire between the climate control unit and the mode control motor. If there is no continuity, the sensor 5V/S5V wire checks OK, and the diagnostic path points to replacing the climate control unit. For the mode P line, turn the vehicle OFF and disconnect the climate control unit 32P connector, with the mode control motor 7P connector also disconnected. Check continuity from climate control unit 32P connector No. 22 to body ground. If there is continuity, repair the short to ground in the wire between the climate control unit and the mode control motor. If there is no continuity, the mode P wire checks OK, and the diagnostic path points to replacing the climate control unit. Keep the verification separate from the circuit testing. After the repair, repeat the same confirmation routine. Clear the DTCs with the HDS, cycle the vehicle OFF and then on, run the self-diagnostic function and confirm B121B does not return. The main takeaway is to split the circuit logically, prove the code, check the sensor feed at the motor, check the mode position line, then use the climate control unit connector checks to separate an open wire, a short to ground, the motor, or the control unit. For more diagnostic training, visit Diagnostics.com.